Hey there, Las Vegas fans. Matt here with We Know Vegas, and today I'm going to be talking to all of you about packing for your trip to Vegas. Some tips and ideas and things to be thinking about. The first thing that you want to get your hands on is a rolling suitcase. Regardless of the size, make sure it has wheels on it. Because if you're flying into Las Vegas, the airport can be quite a walk, so you want to make sure that you're not carrying your suitcase, but rather rolling your suitcase. And also when you get to the hotel, if you don't want to use baggage help, then you want to be able to roll your suitcase through that hotel. Hotels in Las Vegas are huge, and you don't want to be lugging your luggage around on your shoulders. Probably the most important thing that you can pack in your suitcase is going to be comfortable shoes. Trust us, trust us, trust us. You're going to be walking a lot in Las Vegas. It's the most popular way to get around Las Vegas, and it's far. Things are further than they seem. For example, if you're going to be at the Mandalay Bay and you want to walk down to the Mirage, well, you can actually see the Mirage from there, but it's like 3 miles. So one way, 3 miles. So you're definitely going to want your most comfortable pair of shoes that you own to be with you in Las Vegas. Next thing you're going to want to pack is your bathing suits, because pool season is like from February to October in Las Vegas. There's plenty of sunshine, there's plenty of pools. It's a great way to spend a day. So make sure you pack your bathing suit. Regardless of the time of year, a light jacket and a sweater are must in your suitcase. And you're probably thinking, isn't it like 100 degrees during the summer in Las Vegas? Do I really need a sweater? And the answer is yes, and here's why. The casinos keep their air conditioning on full freeze mode. You're going to get cold inside the casino. Also, when you're going to want to check out a show, the theaters, they keep pretty cold as well. So a light jacket or a sweater is a must any time of year that you're traveling to Las Vegas. So if you're traveling to Las Vegas during the winter months, which is November, December, January, and February, it does get cold in Las Vegas, even though it's in the middle of the desert. The highs during those months are somewhere in the low 60s, and at nighttime it can get into the high 30s. So you're definitely going to want scarves and jackets and gloves and everything, especially if you're out in Las Vegas at night during the winter months. Now, summer months, you're going to want to pack light, and I mean light colors, and I mean lightweight clothing, because summers, again, it's going to be in the hundreds during the day, and you do not want to have anything that is dark color to absorb that heat, or anything that's kind of heavy, because you are going to want to be as cool as possible. One thing Brandy and I always do in Las Vegas during our trips is we have a date night. So ladies, get those high heels and short dresses, and gentlemen, get those jackets and get dressed up and enjoy a night out with dinner and a show and some time in the casino. So you'll definitely want to pack something for date night at least one night during your trip. Let's talk about toiletries. What you're going to want to do before your trip is to go to your local drugstore and load up on all those travel size toiletries, such as shampoo and deodorant and shaving cream and things like that. While you're there, very important, pick up some hand sanitizer or hand wipes. They are a must in Las Vegas. Think about it. Thousands of people are touching those buttons on those slot machines, and thousands of people are touching those chips at the blackjack table. You do not want to be taking those germs back home with you, or getting those on your face or on your hands, or whatever the case is. So hand sanitizer at all times is a big must in Las Vegas. You're also going to want to not pack your big purses or your big size wallets. You want to keep it a little bit smaller, if you will, in Las Vegas. Ladies, typically you're going to want to pack a clutch purse that's got a strap that you can put across your body. And gentlemen, use a wallet that you can fit in your front pocket. Don't make yourself an easy target for people that want to pickpocket and things like that, so smaller is better. The last thing, and probably the most important thing that you can pack on your next Las Vegas trip, is a portable charging device for your phone. You're going to be taking tons of pictures, tons of video. It's going to wear down your battery pretty fast, and you don't want to have to go try to find a plug at a bar or on some wall somewhere. Pack a portable device that charges your phone on the go. Put it in your pocket, put it in your small purse. Definitely have that with you. So again, this is Matt with We Know Vegas, and just a few packing tips for your next trip out to Las Vegas. You got any questions, just post them below, and maybe we'll see you on your next trip to Las Vegas. Bye.